So the guys have got the roof stripped off, chalking their control lines, ready to load the shingles on the roof. I thought this would be a good time to show everyone up close some of the details that make our roof systems different. Any kind of pipe penetration, we've got a square of ice and water shield, self-adhered leak barrier around each pipe. Little steps like this, small bits of insurance that all add up to a superior roof system. Replaced a box vent. Got a few pieces of decking to change. All synthetic underlayments. Used Rust-Oleum paint on all our pipes. Extends the life. Looks nicer on the roof. Got our continuous ridge vent opening cut in. This is really a critical step. A lot of guys are overlooking this. It clearly states on the manufacturer's wrapper, if the roof isn't vented, the warranty is not valid. Make sure this is an operable opening. You just get a lot more life out of your shingles. Control lines, a little simple step, keeps all the shingles looking nice and straight. So please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Be happy to come take care of your roofing problems. Thank you for watching.